Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Shagatam Shobaike. I am G. We are here in gorgeous Kauai. We're going to explore Red Dirt Waterfall. Let's go. Here's the start to our waterfall tour. And you can't miss the flowers. We're going to follow this. Oh wow! You're gonna see this gecko. Look at the design on him. What a cute little fella. If you want, you can grab lunch from Waimea Town Center. That's what I did. And all the views from Waimea Town Center to here is gorgeous. You can literally make a stop anywhere and enjoy. I like this spot. Pretty cool. Especially the red dirt. Stands out. That's it, guys. This is your cute little stop at the Red Dirt Waterfall before you make your way to Waimea Canyon. Kind of wants to go. Trying to fit my legs in here. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of ours. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.